Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from EV Sportline coming to you today from our Atlanta headquarters. And behind me, I've got a beautiful Rivian R1S. We just finished doing a satin black wrap on this, and voila! Check this American pride out. It's a brand new product from EV Sportline. We designed this American flag applique in-house. We plot this in-house out of vinyl, and this is an easy DIY installation you can buy at our website and install on the back window of your R1S. No better way to flash your American pride on your Rivian R1S than to install these appliques on the back window. Made in the USA, out of vinyl, easy DIY installation. All right, everybody, if you like this, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and check it out on the website. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot more upgrades coming your way.